Important aspects of the composition of chemical compounds are the concept of the percentage by mass of individual elements in a compound, and the reverse of that process, getting the formula of a compound from the percentage by mass. This problem asks for the first part of that, the percentage by mass of each element in this compound, which is called sodium sulfate decahydrate. Many chemical compounds, when crystallized from aqueous solution, do so with actual molecules of water incorporated into their structure, that is, held firmly within the crystal. And this period in the middle means exactly that. Crystals of this compound contain 10 molecules, and exactly 10 for every Na2SO4 unit present. So, let's look at the empirical formula of this material. We have 2 sodiums, 1 sulfur, but we have 4 oxygens here and 10 oxygens here. And we have 20 hydrogens. More than you might have thought, just glancing at Na2SO4. So, we have Na2 giving us a mass of 2 times 22.99 AMU. We have 1 sulfur, a mass of 32.065 AMU. We have 14 oxygens with a mass of 14 times 16.000 AMU. And we have 20 hydrogens of a mass of 20 times 1.008 AMU. Don't bother to calculate each of these individually. If you're doing this arithmetic on a calculator, which I'm sure you are, you can just do the string of multiply, add, multiply, add, multiply, add, because your calculator is programmed to give priority to multiplication. And if you add all those numbers up, you get an empirical formula mass of 322.20. This is the formula mass. And now you just take percentages. Obviously, 2 times 22.99 AMU divided by 322.20 AMU times 100%. Each of the others is exactly parallel. For sodium, this comes to 14.27. These are percentages by mass. For sulfur, 9.95. For oxygen, 69.52. Nearly 70% of the mass of this compound is oxygen. And for hydrogen, 6.25. If we add those up, just as a check, we get 99.99%, which is close enough to 100% to satisfy me, and I hope you too. There are clearly minor rounding errors that give us that 0.01% difference. So this checks, very nearly 100%. Well, this is a model for the calculation of the percent by mass in any variety of compound that you choose to calculate. And you will be asked to do this calculation from time to time.